Are you looking for a tasty summer cocktail? Well, keep watching because today I'm going to make the Vanilla and Passionfruit Caipiroska. Hi guys, welcome back. Summer is over, it's autumn here in Australia. However, I'm going to make a refreshing and tasty summer cocktail for all my viewers that are everywhere else around the world. And guys in Australia, you can drink this any time of the year. It is the Vanilla and Passionfruit Caipiroska. So just a twist on the Caipiroska, and I'm just going to get stuck straight into it. The first thing that I do is I cut a lime in half and then just segment into wedges. Really simple, just like that. And I pop it into my shaker. I'm just going to muddle just to remove the juice from the limes. Give it a bit of a hard muddle too, because what happens is it actually bruises the lime peel. And what that does is it adds a little bit of those oils as well to your cocktail. Simple as that. Okay, so the key to this drink is you have to use a very nice and tasty vanilla vodka. Today I'm going to use the Arctica. It's made here in Australia, in Melbourne. And I'm going to do 45 mils or an ounce and a half. Next up, I'm going to do 15 mils of a passionfruit puree or syrup. You can use real passion fruit, but I just find that it doesn't add as much flavour to it, so you could even do some fresh passion fruit with the puree. I just find for taste, puree is always better. Next up, 10 mils of just some sugar syrup. Really easy to make sugar syrup. 50-50, water and sugar, dissolve it, chuck it into a bottle. Then add some ice. Give it a really good shake. Now to make it really easy, shake and dump straight into your rocks glass. Add just a touch more ice to that. The pieces of lime in there are the garnish. So easy to make at home. Let's give it a try. Oh geez, that vanilla smells awesome. I tell you what, I've made this with a few other different brands. I really like this. I prefer it a lot better. That passion fruit's coming through as well. That vanilla just really punches, beautiful vanilla flavour there. And the lime balances it out perfectly. Be careful, you could drink a few of these and end up a little bit too tipsy because they are so delicious. Give it a try, guys. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.